up, guys? It's Rick. Today I'm headed to Carmax, 2000 H1 Hummer. I'm going to take it to Carmax to see what they'll give it to me if I sell it to them. So stay tuned because we're headed there right now.
Okay guys, this is basically what the AM General looks like that I took to Carmax. If you guys want the full description and the full detailed video of what the vehicle looks like, then click in the description below and you'll find that video.
Carmax right now in the H1. We'll see what they do, see how the condition report comes back, and what do they say they'll give me. Oh boy.
35 to 45 minutes, interior, exterior, mechanical, and structural of the car. And then once they do all that, they go inside, look at the market value of the vehicle, all that, and figure out a price, and we'll give you an offer. Now the offer is good for 7 days. We would love to buy your car. And how it works is that we write you a bank draft. You take that bank draft to the bank, deposit it, and you'll be good to go.
Awesome, man. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so I got the appraiser coming out here. They don't want to be recorded, so I'm going to walk around in the lot, wait for the appraisal to be done with what he has to do, so then we can go inside and get the offer, and I'll show you guys what we got the offer.
Well, I'm searching all over the place. I don't see any Hummers on the lot. All kinds of neutral color vehicles. No AM Generals though, which means that mine is a hot commodity. So hopefully they see that and give me that respect in the appraisal. See what happens. Let's go check out, see if we can find this guy, see if we can scope him out. Checking out the Hummer.
Here in the car. Okay.
There's like 6 guys on that thing.
Well, yeah, the thing is, like I said, we don't get a lot of them, so we gotta look up all these different cars, always in research. Actually, 2000 Hummer H1 black with 88,000 miles. Now, interior, the radio is aftermarket.
Yep.
Other than that, everything else is good. Mechanical of the vehicle, everything is good. Exterior, the driver front door, passenger front door, driver rear door, passenger rear door, passport has prior paintwork. Other than that, everything else is good.
48 grand.
How does that sound?
I need to live a little more.
That's the thing, with the offer, it's once it's set, it's set.
Can I get a print of that?
Yeah.
All right, guys, so we just left Carmax. I got my offer here. They only offered me $48,000. $48,000, and I can't go with it. You know, it's a really rare truck. I just can't do it. So I actually have a little bonus for you on this video. I'm actually gonna bring this vehicle to the next step in the process where Carmax would actually bring the vehicle, and it's the dealer auction. So I'm actually driving this Hummer right now to the dealer auction. So tomorrow we're gonna run it through one of my friends who's a dealer, and I'm gonna see what I can get for it when we run it through the dealer auction and see if we can beat Carmax's price. And if we can, fantastic. If we can't, well, we might just have to go back to Carmax. So stay tuned, we're headed to the dealer auction. So I'm gonna actually include what this truck is actually going to do at the dealer auction, which Carmax usually takes the vehicle to after they purchase it from you. So I'm going to take this vehicle to the dealer auction, and thought I'd bring a little bit more. Okay, so we're here at the South Florida Auto Auction, and I'm pulling up the Hummer to the guy here. He has a stop and everything, so he's gotta check us out.
First name, sir.
All right, so the Hummer's dropped off. We'll see if we can sell it tomorrow. Get some good money for it. Stay tuned.